So here we have a woodland fairy style whimsical 2-tier cake. So it's got the tree stump effect going all the way around the base, and this is an edible image, so it's all edible, and then the woman is an edible image, and I've just used some fondant icing to create the ruffles on a dress, and then that's topped with this little fairy house on top. I've used edible image for the butterflies and backed that onto some fondant and let that dry, so it creates a 3D type effect. I've used a mixture of dusts and luster dusts with a slight glitter in it, just to give it that more magical feeling. A little window, a little fairy door, and I just think that bottom tier with the edible image just makes it look like 3D. So there we are. I didn't use an airbrush to create all the different shades on this one. I do have an airbrush, but sometimes you don't need to. You know, dusts can work just as well. It does take longer, but I thought the depths and the precision you can get with the dusts were better for this. I think you can just see the sparkle on the leaves and just a few highlighted areas. But yeah, that's the first time I've used a whole edible image on a tier, and I just think it works beautifully. So there we are.